Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get filters on the Instagram. So if you want to search how you can basically use or get the Instagram filter, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see your story on the left top. So you have to click on it, go to the camera. Once you will here, now you will see different filters here, filters, or you can simply say effects. Moreover, if you want to get filter, simply click a picture and you have to swipe to the left and you will see different filters are applied on the picture. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.